let's understand how to plan activities and games for goal 2, that is, children are effective communicators. First of all, for oral expression, provide plenty of such opportunities where children can interact, talk and converse with their friends, adults and their family members. Oral expression is the basis for language and early literacy development. So, try to incorporate one question for each day. Ensure active free conversations for every day. Encourage children to tell and share stories. Encourage parents to tell bedtime stories to their children. Look how this teacher is talking to children and doing free conversation and calling it Aaj ki Taza Khabar.
I have a news.
What?
You know, when I came here in the morning, suddenly it starts raining outside. So now you have 4 hot wings.
Yeah.
Okay. Lavanya, you also want to say something?
Yeah, one big puppy and to her also puppies and cute.
Okay.
How the children are engaged in the conversation, listening to her and answering her questions. It becomes so easy for the teacher to observe and assess how the children are developing listening comprehension. So many words children are learning from this simple free conversation activity. And this is the first step towards foundational literacy. You can also do show and tell activity with children. You can also have some conversation starter and let children talk in detail about it. Okay, Vivid, now I'll do another activity and you will talk about this car. It is a show and tell. Talk about this car, whatever you want to talk.
This car is toy car.
This car is a toy car, yeah.
It has 4 wheels and it has number plate.
Okay, you can see a number plate. What number is written there? Can you read it out? 1.
1989.
Oh, great.
And here also has the number.
Okay, it has 2 doors and it also get opened. Okay, very good.
And it has 2 lights.
2 lights, yeah. 2 headlights, yes. Great. Okay, clap for Vivid. Very good. Okay, I'll give this to Lavanya. Can you talk about the spoon?
Spoon helps eating the
You
junk.
eat with the spoon,
Yeah.
right? You want to say that,
Yeah.
right? And anything
we-
else you want to talk
Yeah.
about?
Yeah, sometimes we also play the game.
With the spoon? Which game? Can you tell me what is the initial sound in spoon?
So,
Yeah.
we drink water with glass.
Yeah.
This glass is in blue color.
Yes. Yes. Anything else?
We also drink juices and cold drink in this.
Absolutely. To enhance foundational literacy and language development, you need to provide a stimulating print-rich environment. Let's look at this classroom. Isn't it print and numeracy-rich environment? Can you see the display at the eye level of children? Have you seen that all the materials and play areas are duly labeled? Can you see the interest or activity areas? This is print-rich environment, which helps children to develop concept of print and print awareness. Observe how these children are looking at books, doing pretend reading and getting print awareness. Look at these children, how they are learning new vocabulary from storytelling activity.
Okay, Himani, tell me, who threw the net on the line?
Hunters.
A hunter. Okay. Lavanya, who cut the net?
A mouse.
Okay. Himani, tell me, what initial sound you can hear in the word lion?
L.
La. Okay, very good. Lavanya, what is the initial sound in the word mouse?
M.
Very good. Himani, can you tell me any one rhyme word with mouse?
House.
Very good.
They learn about print awareness. They develop listening comprehension. They understand that writing has some meaning and so many other things. You can also plan some activities for phonological awareness. Sing and play lots of age appropriate rhyming games like solving riddles, singing rhymes that have rhyming words and repetition. For example, see the bug on the rug, I see him run, finally caught him in the mug. I have a cat who is so fat, she cannot even sit on the mat. You need to plan a culture of reading among children right from the beginning. So bring age and developmentally appropriate graded books for your children and help them develop a bond with the books. Do sound discrimination activities like asking children the initial sound in familiar words, also in their names. Later, ask the end sound in their names. Then ask them to tell you more words that they can think about that begin with the same sound, like this is a book. I can hear B. What other words you can think that begin with the initial sound B? What is the end sound in the word book? K. What words you can make with the end sound K? Do lots of rhyming game activities. For example, bat, cat, rat, sat, hat. I can give you one more example. Boat, goat, coat, note, and so on. Similarly, you can try makdi, kakdi, lakdi and moti, roti, goti. Try to find or create rhyming riddles at the children's level. Let me give you one example. What drives in the street uses wheels and not feet? Its name rhyme with star. I call it a, yeah, you are right, it is car. Children, I am going to do one very fun activity with you. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay. I'll be calling few words, but I'll break those words into parts. Listen carefully. I'll break the words into parts. So you have to clap for each broken part. Right? Okay?
Yes.
Ready?
Yes.
Okay. Pencil. Very good. Very good. Pencil. Okay. What is this?
Elbow.
Yeah. Now listen carefully. Elbow.
Elbow.
Very good. So clap for yourself. Very good. Okay. Children also begin showing interest in writing when they observe adults are writing in front of them.
Why are you writing my name?
I'm writing your name so that I can keep your work in the portfolio in my file folder, and it become very easy for me to see which child has done what work. And I'll also give a logo for your name so that you can easily identify your name. See, I have written your name H-I-M-A-N-I. This is your
Name.
and I have also drawn a dog picture with it. So you can easily identify wherever the dog logo is there, your name is there. It's okay?
Yes.
So I'll keep it in the file folder. Okay?
Yes.
Very good. So now you can recognize your name?
Yes.
So you have understood by these exemplar activities how to plan and provide opportunities for your children so that they develop a desire and motivation towards reading and love for reading.